Biotechnology is an advanced branch of biology which deals with the biological organisms, system, processes for the welfare of mankind. The area covered under this branch of study is very vast and the technique involved is highly diverse. Mo- biotechnology, modern biotechnology, uh, during 1917, modern biotechnology developed, which aimed to alter the genetic makeup of animal and plant cells, which was drawn by recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. This is the process of removing a distant piece of DNA from one organism and incorporate it into a chromosomal DNA of another organism. It is also called genetic engineering. Recombinant DNA technology had made a great impact in the field of healthcare by mass production of more effective drugs and hormones and insulin. In the field of agriculture, it is important for production of transgenic plants. The title of my project, Production of Edible Vaccine, is the combination of both agricultural and medical biotechnology. There is many method of production of edible vaccine. Here I use the agrobacterium mediated method. First I took a bacterial cell and the gene of interest. The PI plasmid is isolated from the bacterial cell and the gene of interest is isolated. The PI plasmid and the gene of interest is caught by the restriction of individual phagai. Then it is joined by ligase enzyme. Now the recombinant DNA is produced. The recombinant DNA is introduced in the agrobacterium medium. In the recombinant DNA having agrobacterium medium is multiplied in the host cell. Here I use a banana plant cell. The recombinant DNA plant cell is now introduced in the banana plant cell. Now the explant is take 2 to 3 days to regenerate its fruit. Now the explant is transferred into pot, then finally into soil. The food produced by the transgenic banana plant cell will act as an edible vaccine. Edible vaccines are now used in various human diseases like measles, cholera, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and but in future it will be effective for autoimmune diseases, birth control, and cancer therapy.